What products do you need when it comes to starting to feed your baby? Watch this video and find out. Okay, I'm back with another video recommending my top baby products, and this time we're talking about all things feeding. This video is in partnership with West Coast Kids, my go-to retailer for all things baby. You might remember some other videos I did with them, best postpartum products that you need, sleep products that you need, Sky's nursery tour. So today I'm back with West Coast Kids sharing my top products for feeding your baby. And let's get into it. First of all, if you have any questions about starting solids, feeding your baby, baby-led weaning, all of that good stuff, I highly recommend checking out the Instagram live that I did over on West Coast Kids channel. It's up there now, saved in their IGTV, and it just answers a lot of those questions. It's a live with a registered dietitian, and I think it will be super helpful. But let's get into the products now. Okay, this first product I am so excited to talk about because I didn't have this with Lily, and now having used it, I wish I did. It is so much fun and just makes the whole experience of starting solids really, really enjoyable, and that is the Biba Baby Food Maker. I have the Biba Baby Cook Solo, and it is just the easiest way to make at-home natural clean purees for your baby. So it's actually designed with a 4-in-1 system. It steams the food, it blends it, it warms it, it defrosts it, all in one machine that, as you can see, is quite small and sleek and actually looks really, really good in our kitchen, if I do say so myself. It eliminates the need for pots and pans and a huge mess and cleanup. And basically, before I had this, I was just using a blender and I was using a steamer and then the microwave, and this really just keeps it so clean and simple. I also love that when you steam the food and then you use the water that comes out from it to blend and make your purees, it actually keeps a lot of the nutrients from those fruits and vegetables. So it just makes the food clean and nutritious and delicious. All right, let's chat feeding utensils. So something I used with Lily and then I picked up a fresh batch for Sky are the Bumpkins feeding utensils. So one side is a spoon and the other side is sort of like a dipping stick. It's kind of almost like a teething toy too, because Sky will often grab it and put it in her mouth and chew on it and play on it. And I like that it's soft on her gums, and it probably feels really good if she has teeth coming in to sort of like suck on the spoon. They come in a pack of 3 at West Coast Kids. We picked up the pink and purple ones for Sky this time, and these are just a great utensil for starting solids. In terms of plates and bowls, we love the Avanci silicone and bamboo bowls. So they have this silicone part here that can actually come off, and it sticks so well to a table, to a high chair. We have the Stokey Trip Trap high chair. This literally sticks perfectly to the tray. I promise. We used it with Lily. She's quite strong, and it really, really suctions well. These ones are great because they are environmentally friendly. They are free of harsh chemicals and materials, which is safe for the baby. And the design is also really sleek and nice. The silicone part comes in so many different colors. We had the yellow for Lily, but we picked up the pink for Sky. If you've ever done baby-led weaning before, or really just starting solids in general, you know that it is so messy. Even if you are trying to gently spoon feed your kid, it is more than likely that they will grab that spoon and all of a sudden the food is literally everywhere. So one of my favorite things to use is the Bumpkins sleeve bib. So it kind of goes on like a little raincoat with a tie in the back, and it basically covers all the spots that they are going to mess up. So this just becomes a super easy to clean option. It also has pockets that catch the food when it drops, but even if you're just doing purees, this is a really, really good way to keep them clean and not have to change their pajamas or their clothes for the rest of the day. If you're starting to introduce a sippy cup or water, my favorite way to do that is with a straw. This Biba straw sippy cup is awesome. I like that it doesn't have a weight at the end of it, and that the straw is easy to come on and off for cleaning purposes. And of course it comes with its own cleaning brush, and this doesn't leak, which is, I know, the #1 complaint about sippy cup straws, right? This does not leak. The cap that goes over the straw makes it super easy to travel with, which is important. And yeah, I just think this is a great option for a start of a water cup. All right, so there you have it. Those are my top recommendations for baby products when it comes to starting solids and feeding your babes. As you can see, you really don't need much, but those are just basic things that are a good place to start, all which can be found over at West Coast Kids. So I hope that this was helpful. Again, if you have any questions about starting solids or baby-led feeding in general, you should definitely check out the live I did over on the West Coast Kids Instagram, or you feel free to drop a comment here and I'll get back to it, and I'll see you guys next time.